Next, I filter the data in the pivot table by using these slicers. Hide the ribbons and uncheck headings. I slightly move all widgets at the up position. First, I group these two layers. Press Ctrl key, select this icon and select this text box. Show the tabs and commands. Click on Shape Format, then click on Group. Similarly, I group these three layers. Press Ctrl key, click on Shape and click on Text box. Then click on Group. Because when I move all layers up, all the layers of this widget will be moved exactly in the same position. Suppose select this widget, press mouse and drag up. Similarly, press Ctrl key. First resize. Press Ctrl key, then select this chart, then select this text box. Click on Group. Again press Ctrl key and press mouse and move up. Resize. Then select text box. Then resize. Similarly, select all layers of this widget. First select this text box, press Ctrl key, then select this chart and text box. Click on Group. Press mouse and move up. Press Ctrl key and move slightly left. Similarly, press Ctrl key, press mouse and slightly move left. Then select all the layers of this widget, press Ctrl key. Click on Group. Press Ctrl key. Click on Group. Click on Group. Select this text box. Press Ctrl key. Then click on Group. Press Ctrl key. Then click on Group. Press Ctrl key. Then click on Group. Press Ctrl key. Press mouse and move up and left. Similarly, press Ctrl key. Then click on Group. Press mouse, move left and up position. Now hide the ribbons. Now I can see all layers are visible. I can also hide the formula bar. So if I filter this item, I see here all values in this dashboards are dynamically changed. If I select this salesperson, so when I selected this salesperson, I see here reference errors because this salesperson has no sales value for in these two regions. Click on sales by region sheet, so I can see here reference errors. I can fix these reference errors. Click dashboard sheet, clear these slicers, then click on sales by region sheet, check formula bar, and insert the if error function outside the getPivotData function. If error function will remove the reference error values. So type here if error function, enter comma, in value if error box I type $0. So if any cell has no value for sales or any region has no sales value, then if error function will return in that cells or in that text box $0. Press enter key. So type here only 0. Do not type $sign. Type the same formula in all other cells. After that, click on dashboard sheet, uncheck formula bar. So if I select this person, so I see here when I select this region, pivot table will show only value for this region. By inserting if error function, I will receive 0 values in all other text box. So if I select this region, if I select this region, so if I select item 1 and select the salesperson, so for item 1 there is no sales value in these three states. By inserting if error function returns $0 instead of reference error. I can see here. So I can see here. Because there is only sales values for two regions, I can see here. In other regions, I see here $0 values. If I select this person, select this item, and select this state, I see here if sale person is this person and item number 4, the state is Florida. It has only sales value 146.40 because I have only selected this state. In other state I see only 0 values because I have inserted 0 value in the value if error argument inside the if error function. So if there is a chance of error, if error function can be inserted inside the pivot table.